Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is February the 16th and I'm using my brand new Magic Scalper trading system. Now this system uses Heikin Ashi candles on the top and more indicators down at the bottom. It also has the super signal indicator. Of course, when the alert goes off, you'll get an audio sound and you'll see this pop-up box suggesting whether you should be buying and or selling. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer, right where this vertical line is, looking at my daily trade plan, looking at the charts, a whole bunch of instruments here. When I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow. Keep in mind there's going to be 4 things you need to succeed at trading, which are a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education, and you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. You must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer, which means you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. When you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you will fail at trading. After all, when you buy, you will have questions, and I can answer those questions. Now, after you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now here's my daily trade plan running in real time. As you can see on this particular day, we've had some mixed signals, not enough strength, or waiting for clear direction. But the daily trade plan will analyze from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. After it analyzes it, it'll say in the comments here whether you should be looking for bullish or bearish trades. Now, if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are still struggling. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy this daily trade plan, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You can get my contact information. Also today on the calendar for the news, there was some high impact news for the producer price index right here. All you got to do is click on this little tab. There it is right there, producer price index. You can read all about it if you so desire. But this is strong news. It'll move many different instruments, so you have to be aware of high impact news. So on this particular day, I traded roughly 1 hour before the news, trying to catch the price action as the news is coming out. After all, that's what you need, some movement within the market, and high impact news will move the market. Now, most of the trades were the futures, the indexes. I did one euro yen here, one forex. Everything was looking good for going up, but like I said, it wouldn't go any higher. Started to do a reversal. So let's see where I got in at first of all. So I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. So after this red candle I got in. It did go up, but it wouldn't go any higher. So that's just the way life goes. As I teach in the videos, you got to keep your losers as small as possible and let your winners run for more, and that's how you're going to grow your account. So this looks like I lost a whopping 2 pips, and as you can see, that's a negative $13. Moving along to the winners now. First one, S&P 500. wanted to be actually selling all the rest of the trades here. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything showing the beginning of the cycle. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. Well, I knew with 95% certainty I had a winner. I closed out the trade at this point, just being happy, as I knew it was going to be well over my daily quota that I'm aiming for, which is 200 pips and or ticks. And I took the money and divided it by 5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 120. There it is right there, 120 ticks, and that paid out $600. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick, so I used the calculator, and the calculator says it should be approximately 315 ticks. I think I'm going to drop this down to the 5 minutes. So I took the trade right at this point right here. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal arrow. Pull the trigger here, and what did I say, 315? Well, that's as close as I'm going to get, 314, 316, but it is 315 ticks, and that paid out $1,181. Have an extra minute or so. Wanted to show you another great tool that I think traders should have. It's called the FibMaster tool. All you got to do is click on this link right here. You can go from swing high to swing low, which will be right there, either here or there. It's both the same. Now you can go up to there. It's not a big deal. I'll just show you what I mean. There's your pullback. It hit entry number 3 right here. Usually it'll hit, after it hits this 1, 2, or 3, it'll go 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this particular day, it went all the way down and almost hit number 10. Like I said, there's no right or wrong where you know, it's always swing high, swing low. So you can easily go to this high. Again, it hit right there, number 1. And at this position, at that point, it still hit, actually went right down and past number 6. Like I said, it's a great tool to have. It works, as millions of traders all over the world are using Fibonacci. Again, if you have any questions, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. Now on the NASDAQ, it pays $20 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow, daily trade plan, super signal, candles, everything red. Well, I knew it was going to go down, so not a big deal. Took the trade there. Now I took the calculator, took the money divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 61. So let's go and look for that 61. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits, so it's 61 ticks, paying $1,228. Moving on to the last trade, which is the Russell. Here we go. Russell pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, this should be 172. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything perfect. Daily trade plan. It's hard to see, but there's an arrow right there in behind for the super signal. Candles, red, all indicators top and bottom, following my rules. Took the trade at that point. What did I say, 172? There it is right there, 172 ticks. That paid out $1,720. So another great day of trading. Great way to end the week. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks, and Grand total today was 666 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out, well, they were basically all ticks, paid out $4,715. Most of them were all compliments of the, a lot of them anyhow, were because of this DAX 30. So if your system's not producing like the Magic Scalper system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, well, simple, just get in contact with me. All you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now in the description you'll see my phone number. All you got to do is give me a call. If you live too far, simple again, you can send me an email. Now what I do prefer is Skype. Once we have Skype connection, then I will be able to answer your questions. Now I made a link down there. It's easy for you. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have Skype connection. Also in the description you'll find 4 different packages, and I recommend that you get at least 3 of them. That's why I made a special offer. If you buy any of the 2 packages, I'll give you 1 of the other 2 packages for free. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.